Now I'm gonna show you the tape. Which you have the logo printed on your tape. It's like this. You see this? It's like this. You can make a tape. You can print your logo on it. If you have a logistics company, actually I have a logistics company, and I wish to have my logo printed on a tape and sent to my customers as a gift on holidays. And I just found it right here. You see here? You see here? And this is also they even have this kind of tools. You can order as a set. But now let me show you some prices. For example, for this is what we call one color, single color printing. This is 4.8 cm, the width times 200 meters. So this is the specification. The minimum order quantity is 36 rolls times 18 cartons. That comes to 648 rolls. That's a minimum order quantity. And for the prices, so this is the prices: 5.4 the Chinese yuan times 648, then plus 600. This is the setup fee. That comes to 400 Chinese yuan, which is times the exchange rate. It comes to $600 US. And you see here, you can have this kind of this design. This is one color, and this is also one color, and this is one color, and this is also one color printing. And when you put it on the boxes, you can see here. You can see here. You can take a closer look. Okay, so if you want to print your logo on the tapes, so this might be the right place for you. Thank you.